Hi guys, we'll be doing another episode of the Mousse battle and I'll be featuring two mousses from the doux. So first we have the doux Mousse Dev, which has been featured on my channel a few times I might add. And now we will be comparing it to the doux B-Girl Crazy Sexy Curl. This would have been featured only once on my channel, so this will be the second time and we will see whether the Mousse Def will work better than the Crazy Sexy Curl or vice versa. So if you're interested in seeing which one will work better on my type 4 natural hair, you definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, so my hair has already been sectioned in two. This side is going to be the doux Mousse Def and this side is going to be the Crazy Sexy Curl. You will get a reminder of that as I do the review later on in the video. So I will be doing a twist out on my hair today and I'm thinking I should start with the Crazy Sexy Curl. I would have deep conditioned my hair with the Sweetest Thing mask from the doux as well, just so that my hair can have as much priming to the product as possible. But if you don't have those products, that is completely fine. Let us see how the doux will work on my hair. I will start off in the front part just so that you can get an idea as to what I'll be doing. I'll just be doing a regular twist, not a 3-strand twist, just a regular 2-strand twist. So I didn't use a leave-in in my hair, and although my hair was trimmed the last time, I may go in with some dusting. So if you see the scissors, that is what I am doing for my hair, because I want to make sure that my ends are as healthy as possible. So since there's no leave-in in my hair, I will definitely spray the area with some water. And then we'll be going in with the Crazy Sexy Curl Foam. I used this once on my channel before and I absolutely loved my results. So I can't wait to see whether I will still love it or even prefer it to the doux Mousse Def. I think I may do just another pump just to get the area saturated. So I'll be doing 2 pumps on each section, 1 to 2 pumps on each section, and I'll be twisting. Twirling the ends, and this is the first twist. So that is what I'll do for this side of my hair, and I'll be back when it is time to do the doux Mousse Def side. Alrighty, so the B-Girl Crazy Sexy Curl is done and it always has that shine. I absolutely love this mousse or foam for that reason. The shine and the softness that I have over here, I want to see what the doux Mousse Def will bring. Of course I know what it brings, but in comparison to the B-Girl Crazy Sexy Curl, I want to see if it's really comparable. So I have my section here, and what I did for the Crazy Sexy Curl, I'm going to do for the doux Mousse Def. So here is the doux Mousse Def. This one is almost finished, but I should have enough to do this section of hair. So the crazy sex, ooh, it's sticky. So 2 pumps. This mousse is a lot more concentrated, but it's defining the curls, and I'm just going to do the same twist. So as I said, what I will do for this side, I will also do for the doux mousse def side. So I will be back when it is time to unravel these results. Alrighty, I am back. This is the doux mousse def side, and this is the doux crazy sexy curl side. One thing to note, that the crazy sexy curl is a lot stickier than the doux mousse def. And another thing to note is that the doux crazy sexy curl has a lighter consistency than the doux mousse def. So if you want more concentration on your hair, you would need to add more product, whereas for the doux mousse def, you don't need that much product in order for your hair to be fully saturated. So that is all I have to say for now. My hair does not feel any different. I can't wait to see how my hair feels when it's time to unravel it, and I can't wait to see the results. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty, y'all, so it is 2 days later. I wanted to give my hair a little break before manipulating it again, and I also wanted the product to dry fully, although it doesn't take long for a mousse and a foam to dry. So what I'm going to do is just start by unraveling this side, which is the big girl crazy sexy curl, and I will unravel the doux mousse def next. I don't unravel with any oil because quite frankly there's no need. And right off the back, this side feels a lot softer. It has a softer hold, so I'm really eager to see how it will hold up as the days go by. This is the first twist out, nice and bouncy. So that is what I will do for the remaining twists, and I will come back when it's time to unravel the doux mousse def side. Y'all, here are the results for the big girl crazy sexy curl. To say that I'm loving the definition would be an understatement. The only thing that I can really say about the foam right now is that you can feel a little residue on your fingers when you unravel the twists, but other than that, it feels soft. It definitely feels pliable. It does not feel dry at all. So let's go on to the doux mousse def side. I will unravel it on camera. So this is the first twist undone for the doux mousse def side, and I will be back once again with the finished results to then give my review. Alrighty, so here is the mousse def side. And right off the back, I can say that the Doux Mousse Def side actually feels a little drier than the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl. But let's get on into the review. I will be testing based on moisture, definition, and hold. So in the moisture department, honestly, I can say that the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl, one, my hair feels hydrated on both ends, but the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl got 9 out of 10 for moisture, whereas the Doux Mousse Def got a 7.5. I find the Doux Mousse Def to be a little more drying than the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl, but different forms for different reasons. Let's get on into the definition. I honestly cannot choose a side. Both sides look great, but I think I will give a 9 out of 10 for definition to the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl, and the Doux Mousse Def is right behind it with an 8 because, as I said, the definition on both sides is great. So as I said, Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl a 9 and the Doux Mousse Def an 8. Now for the hold. Just because the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl side has a softer feel, I am not expecting the definition to last too long. Speaking subject to correction, if that changes and it stays for the rest of the week, you will know based on the pinned comment. But for now, I will give this a 7.5. And the Doux Mousse Def, it feels like it has a little more hold, so I will give this an 8 just because, as I said, the Mousse Def feels like it has a firmer hold, and based on previous experience with the Mousse Def on my channel, since I have a few videos, I can say that my hair will last. But again, speaking subject to correction, so look out for that pinned comment. But other than that, these are two lovely forms from the Doux. From personal experience, if you are looking for a foam that has a little more moisturizing ingredients, definitely go for the Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl. But if you don't necessarily care too much about the ingredients, but you just want a foam that will do a really good job, definitely go for the Doux Mousse Def. Although it does have leave-in properties, from personal experience, I just found this foam a little drying to my hair, but to each their own, and each person will have their various experiences. As I said, these are two great foams, and with that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, please like and share this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.